guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be trying to do the little blonde brow trend. So basically, I don't know if it's really a trend, by the way. If you think my hair looks a little bit wild, it'll get better. Like, not better, this is what it looks like, but I like it. I feel like it's very like, it's gonna go with the makeup at the end. You'll see it all come together. But anyways, yeah, I really wanted to try some blonde brows. I said in my one colored brow video that I wanted to try blonde brows because that's really like popular nowadays. And also, like, I've been wanting to do a smoky eye for a really long time, like, because I haven't did one in a long time. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the blonde the blonde eye trend, or doing blonde eyebrows, basically trying to attempt to do blonde eyebrows but also with a smoky eye, just to do a very grunge look. I'm not gonna lie, this whole aesthetic that I got going on here is because I seen this picture of this girl. She kind of looks like Ari, you know, like the influencer. It might be her, it might not be, but I seen this picture of this girl. The hair, the eyes, the lips, the brows. This is what my aesthetic is going to be today. Like, I got very big inspiration from this picture. It made me want to do it so bad. I mean, I've seen other blonde brows, but this picture just solidified it in my mind that I wanted to do a video on this. So that's what we're doing today. So if you guys want to see me try to do blonde brows, this is basically going to be like a get ready with me, kind of just like doing my makeup, trying to look cute and everything. Guys, I promise that I'm going to be back on my filming schedule. I kind of took like last week off. My sister was here from school, and also I was just feeling really down. But guys, we have to do this, guys. We're in this together, okay? I'm trying to grow this channel, have a big family for this channel, and that means posting consistently and just all that good stuff. So we're back to posting consistently. So anyways, if you guys want to watch this, get ready with me, basically trying to do blonde brows and become my final grunge form, then just keep on watching. So yeah, I'm basically just trying to do a blonde brows. I'm trying to think if I want to do like the soap brow thing and then put the blonde, why do I keep saying blonde over it, or if I just want to use my regular brow shape. I've been gradually trying to make my brows straighter, more and more straight. Usually when I do my makeup on the regular, I'll do like the soap brow thing and shape them that way, but for right now I think we're just gonna do regular. So in the videos that I've seen, let me try to find some more because I'm really bad at like figuring stuff out. If you guys haven't noticed, that's like, nah, I'm not good at that. So I'm gonna take the latest concealer that I have, which is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20, and basically I'm just gonna take it and like rub it back and forth on my brows. I feel like this might be the best way to do it, just to like coat each side of my brow hairs, and then I'll like basically wipe it away and like shape these bad boys. But I honestly feel like this is the best way to do it at first. I may be wrong, but like I said, this video is kind of just like a get ready with me. We're experimenting together. So yeah, now I'm gonna like wipe it away. That was kind of just like the first stage, so you guys can see how they're like lighter. So now I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to like fill in my brows, but using a concealer. Okay, I don't know why I always feel like I can do stuff like this without Q-tips, but I don't think I can, so we want to go get some Q-tips. So yeah, now we're just gonna clean it up with the Q-tips. Now I'm gonna see what happens if I try to put some clear brow gel over it. This may be a catastrophe, but we'll see. Okay, we gotta move on because this is taking forever. So I'm gonna take a concealer that's closer to my skin color than this one, which is this NYX this NYX full coverage concealer in the shade CJ05. I hope it still matches. I've been in the sun a little bit, so I'm a little tan, so but it'll definitely be darker than the concealer that's on my brows right now. I'm just gonna basically clean up my brows. The eyebrows might look a little crazy for right now, but like I said, we gotta move on. So I think it'll look better once we put on like foundation and everything. So let's do the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna conceal my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 16. Okay, and for my smoky eye today, we are going to be using the Kat Von D. Obviously it's not called that anymore, but this is when it was called a Kat Von D. The Shade and Light eye palette. First we're just gonna take the first brown and mix it with the second and just start blending that into my crease. And I'm just gonna take the second brown I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to take the second to last shade, which is like a darker brown, and just keep blending that out in the same positions in the crease and blend it out and up towards the brow. I'm going to take the brush that comes with the Aviate palette. I'm going to dip into that dark brown and a little bit into the middle shade, which is the black, and just start gradually blending that into the crease as well. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M330 brush and I'm going to dip straight into the black. Now one of my favorite blacks of all time is from the Gwen Stefani palette, like the Urban Decay one. I was going to say the UD one, the Urban Decay one, and it is Urban Decay Blackout. I haven't found a black that I like better than this one, so we're going to use this one. So we're going to dip lightly into Blackout and just start blending that into the crease as well. I usually like to do the blending on a smoky eye before I put black on the lid. I don't know why, that's just like something that I do. So yeah, we're just gonna take a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna pat some black on the lid. I'm kind of like leaning my face forward so no black falls onto my face. Okay, so this is basically how I want it to look. It looks so good right now. Just gonna add some more black, just because like I said, this black is a dream. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation because it has nothing to do with this look. So I'm gonna do my foundation off camera. And yeah, I'll probably do like a liner on my lash line just like to make the lash line more darker. It really probably isn't gonna make that much of a difference because it's already like black. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up bottom lash line, lips, extras, all that good stuff. So yeah. Alright, make sure you put on hand sanitizer before you start doing primer, because I feel like with black eyeshadow you literally, or hand sanitizer, wash your hands, whatever. I feel like with black eyeshadow it's everywhere, but like you can never be seen. I just tried to put on primer and it was like streaking black, so just remember to do that. Alright, we out again. Okay, so I did my foundation off camera. I really like the way everything looks. I've been putting some extra light stuff under my eyes because I really want like my under eye to be bright. I really like the way this looks. My eyebrows aren't as blonde as I would like them, but they look pretty good. So now let's move on to the rest of the eye. So we're gonna do the under eye. I'm gonna tight line, and now I'm gonna take a teeny, actually I think I kind of like the way that just the tight line looks. Yeah, okay. So we're not going to touch anything else. I really like the way the tight line looks. So now what we're going to do is lips. So basically we're just going to do the outline of my lips with black. I'm going to use eyeshadow just because sometimes I feel like it doesn't move with lip gloss. So I'm just going to take a small brush on Blackout from Urban Decay and just line my lips with this. Okay, I kind of feel like the hair is giving very much, especially with the makeup, the hair is giving very Lydia from Beetlejuice. I don't know why I'm getting that vibe, but I still very much like it. Like I'm living, maybe it's just me because this is who I feel like I kind of am on the inside. But yeah, I feel like there's no need for a close-up. It's pretty much all here, smoky eye, everything. I feel like it would probably just get worse with a close-up just because like the brows or whatever. But like I said, I'm in love with this look. I'm looking in the viewfinder because I can't stop looking at myself. Maybe I'm tripping, but I don't think so. This video was so fun. Oh, by the way, I just added like a bunch of crystals all over my face just because like I'm extra, you know, so like whatever. But this video was so fun to do. I've been wanting, I think a reason why it was so fun is because I've been wanting to do a look like this for a really long time, but now I did it. I kind of look like, I just look like a scary bride, like Halloween type thing, and I'm like living for it. Like I want this to be my everyday look. But yeah, this was so much fun to film. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I liked filming because like I said, it was just so much fun. I definitely recommend doing this even if you're not this style, like even if you're like a soft cottagecore type girl, just see what you look like with this type of makeup and see, because I feel like even if you don't like it, it's still fun to see yourself in a different like aesthetic. So yeah, like I said, this is how I am on the inside. I'm not bold enough to wear it every day and out and actually bleach my brows. It's not me, but this is who I am on the inside. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I upload. Also, please subscribe if you're new here, if you haven't already. I'm just really trying to like grow my channel. I said that in the beginning of this video, but it would be very helpful for me if you subscribed and liked the video and all that other good stuff like I literally just said. But I just want to like reiterate like how important it is for me to tell you guys to subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed already, share it with a friend who likes makeup, share it with whoever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to keep it with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be in the description box down below, but it'll also be on the screen right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, watch another video. Like I already said, subscribe so here I made it easy for you guys, and you can watch another one of these two videos. Okay, bye.